Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. Friends, many times we face this problem. We might visit many websites or subscribe many email lists, but later we forget to unsubscribe. Many times we receive emails from unknown senders, and sometimes we receive emails from mailing lists that we did not subscribe. In this video, I will show you how you can delete all of these mails in just few clicks. By default, Gmail does not have these options. To know more about this, please watch this video till the end. If you want to support us, you can give thanks. The thanks button is showing at the below of our videos. If you want to learn new things, you can join our online courses and earn certificate from your home. For more details, check out our website. You can join us on social media such as WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook. Links are given in the video description box. Without much delay, let's get started. To do this, first I'll open Google Chrome.
Taskbar, new tab, Google Chrome, tool.
Now I'm going to my Gmail address.
Unselected, mail selected, alert, blank, main landmark, primary proper.
So this is the email address. Here I am receiving all the emails. Now I want to delete emails that comes from Adobe and that contains some promotional messages. I can unsubscribe by default, but now I will show you how you can delete existing emails. See, if you unsubscribe, you will not receive any email in future. But what you do with your existing emails, that we will show today. There are mainly two situations. Number one, where you know the email ID, and number two, where you don't know the email ID. Today, I'll show you both. So first, if you don't know the email ID, you have to find the email ID from the mails. To find it, let's move to the promotions tab. To move to promotions tab, focus on your inbox and press Shift plus tab. Make sure you are using NVIDIA Forms mode.
Table, tab, control, forms heading, primary heading, promotions tab.
Press Shift F once, then press right arrow to switch between tabs. Now, in which tab you want to access, just press enter.
Selected, promotions property.
Now press up arrow and down arrow to find the emails in promotions tab.
Sent only to me, unread. Gravity, sent only to me, unread. Abandoned, back, sent only to me, unread. Abandoned, sent only to me. Quora suggested, sent only to me, unread. Adobe Acrobat, send and sign in seconds, April 4.
Okay, so this is the mail which comes from Adobe Acrobat. So first you need to open the mail. I'm opening the mail. By the way, we have already created a video of all Gmail shortcuts. Please do check out from the I button, or link is available in the video description below.
Main landmark clickable listen, checkbox not checked, not start.
Now here you need to find the email ID.
Button unavailed, heading level 3 Adobe Acrobat.
See.
Mail at mail.adobe.com, link unsubscribe.
So here you will get an unsubscribe button also, because nowadays the email lists or mailing lists are not using the subscribe and unsubscribe link in their mail body, because if they use, you can easily find and block them or delete them. But here we will do some advanced filter. So to do this, first let me find the address from this line.
Out of button clickable list with one item, list item clickable level 1 Acrobat. Mail at mail.adobe.com.
Yes, this is the mail. So let me
mail@mail.adobe.com selected. Copy to clipboard. Mail.
Okay, so now the email is selected. Next, we need to go to search button.
Table Adobe Prime. Out of
So I'm pressing B until I find the search button.
click of search landmark advanced search options button. Clickable search mail edit banner land
And press tab until you hear advanced search button.
advanced search options button.
Press enter.
Search edit from edit blank.
From edit, paste the email address.
Mail at mail dot from edit mail at mail
Press
dot
enter
adobe
to
dot
select.
com
Then press tab.
to edit blank.
Okay, here you can write your own email address. Okay, so this is the email ID which I have written here. Please don't send email to this.
Subject edit blank.
Subject, if you know the subject you can write, but here we don't know, so we press tab.
Includes the words edit blank.
No, includes the words. So for example, if you don't know the email ID, so that you can write the words which might include the email, such as subscribe, unsubscribe, etc. So here we will not doing this. If you want, you can do the multiple things at a time. Now I'm pressing tab.
Doesn't have edit blank.
Tab.
Size operator list doesn't.
So does not have. Here you can write those words which does not include in your mail body. So that based on that keyword you provided, Gmail will search emails for you.
Size operator list collapsed sub menu
So
greater than
from
1.
size operator, choose greater than.
Size value edit blank.
Type 0.
Num lock on.
Then tab.
0. Size unit list collapsed sub menu MB1.
Choose bytes.
Expanded MB2 of bytes 2 of bytes 3 of 3.
Okay. Then press tab again.
Date within list collapsed sub menu 1
So
day 1.
date within. So choose year.
Expand 1 year 2 of 8. 1 year 8 of 8.
Press tab.
Date edit selected 2024.
Tab.
All mail list collapsed sub menu. All
So
mail 1.
you will find from all mail or specific folder such as inbox, sent, outbox. Okay, we will find from all mail, so we won't change anything. Next.
As attachment checkbox not checked.
So does the email included an attachment? If you check this box checked, only the email contains attachment will appear. But we want to delete all the mails, so we won't check.
Don't include chats checkbox not checked. Search mail button.
Click on search mail button.
Main landmark.
But here there is a problem. Here you can find only 1 year email from today to up to 1 year. But what if your Gmail account is 5 years old, 6 years old, and if you want to delete all the emails, how to delete? To do that, just go to the browse mode and go to the search edit box.
Banner landmark search landmark clickable search mail edit sub menu.
Press enter.
Mail at mail.adobe.com. Banner land FROM.
And read this clearly.
Whole left pair MAIL at mail.adobe.com. Right pair M right space 2. Sad face retal at mail.com. Right parent larger space L colon 0
Now here
colon
see
0 space after space AFTER colon
after, then there is a date.
2023/4/1/7.
Okay, so here you can select the from date. You can manually type.
1/4/3/3.
So I'm typing 2016.
2026/4/
Okay, instead of 4, I'm typing 1.
1/17 space 7.
So instead of 17, I type 1. So 1st January 2016.
BEFORE colon
Before, so before today's date, I can give.
2
Sorry, tomorrow's date.
025/5/4/18 blank.
Okay, so tomorrow's date I selected.
11/18.
Now I just press enter here. See, here all mail is visible.
Visited link skip to content. Skip to content main landmark table sent only to me Adobe Acrobat. Oh, sent only to me unread Adobe Acrobat. Sent only to me unread Adobe Acrobat. We play well together April 1st.
Right, all the mails from this email domain is now appear to you. What you do, select all
Num lock on. 9 selected.
and press Shift plus 3, which means number sign, to move to bin.
A section 9 conversations moved to bin. Undo. None selected.
So after doing this, you need to go to the bin. So let me go to the bin. How to go to bin? It's better to go to your inbox.
Prime.
Press left arrow.
Navigation landmark. Inbox 8.
Now press down arrow.
Start. Snooze. Sent link. Drafts. Important chats link. Scheduled. All mail. Spam. Went. Bin link visited.
Press enter.
Main landmark. Table. Sent only to me. Adobe Acrobat. Send and sign and set.
Now after coming here, just go to browse mode and press Shift plus B and find empty bin button.
Click a newer button. A clickable main landmark. Empty bin now button.
Right? Press enter.
Confirm deleting message. Button close. This action clickable button OK.
So click on OK.
Alert. Clickable visited link. Skip to content. All messages have been deleted.
So this is how you can easily delete unwanted emails within just few clicks. By default, at a time you will get 100 emails or 50 emails in your page. Select all, move to bin. Then select all, move to bin. Then after doing all these things, come to bin and click on empty bin, and all of your unwanted mails will be deleted. In the next episode of Gmail, we will show you how you can filter your emails so that when future emails come, they will be automatically deleted or the action you choose. If you are interested to watch this video, please let me know in the comment section. If you find this content useful, press the like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.